How to create PDF on Samsung without any third-party apps. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily create PDF with images on your Samsung device without downloading any third-party apps. You can do this directly with your gallery app, so go ahead and open up your gallery. And once you have your gallery open, if you try to select your images and try to create a PDF, tap on create at the bottom left corner. There is no option for PDF currently. So in order to get the PDF option, you need to first go over to the menu section at the bottom right. And from the pop-up, select Settings. Now all you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find About Gallery. Tap on it. Now you'll find the version number of your gallery over here. You have to keep tapping it for 7 times to enable Gallery Labs. And once you have enabled it, it will be available at the very bottom of your settings. Tap on Gallery Labs, and all you have to do here is turn on the PDF. So go ahead and select this option, Save as PDF, and turn it on. Once you toggle this on, you could go back now, and then I can just select these images. So I'll just select these 4 images, tap on Create again at the bottom left, and then now you have this additional option to save it as PDF. Tap on that. And you can select the order of your PDF images. I'll just select default. Wait for a bit. Once it's processing, your PDF will now be ready. It will automatically open up the PDF for you guys. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.